Good morning from the mountains of North Carolina. Springtime, beautiful out here. Soon, the visitors will be here for the summer. And of course, they always ask you about moonshine. Well, you could send them down to the liquor store, get moonshine. Yes, they're readily available. Not the same. They want the illegal stuff, not the $30 a quart stuff down at the liquor store, which, no offense, is So, what are you going to do? You're not going to make it yourself. A little bit illegal. They do frown on that. But you want to satisfy the visitors and make it something memorable. So, make it and fake it. Alright? You don't have to do it illegal. Go down to the liquor store. Buy vodka, rum, whatever you like. Now, one thing I do, I get 100 proof. Whatever variety. This is just what I picked up. It's cheap. Okay? Let's be honest, cheap. Don't use expensive. Oh, you can if you want. This is just cheap. You don't have to get good stuff. Nice, good rum. You don't have to do that. You could. Man, that's smoky. Bruce, what's all that smoke for? Well, this is part of the process. All right, that's enough. Turn that off. There we go. Now, I love to run my smoker. I make smoked meat. This is some of the chips I made. I got videos of that, making wood chips for the smoker. But this is all part of the fun. Now, that cheap vodka, rum, whatever you get, it's fine. It's just fine. Not the cleanest. You drink a bunch of that and you wake up next morning, cognigers, contaminants. What we're doing here is going to help clean up the liquor and add to the mystique. Remember, a lot of this is presentation. Okay, so I've got my nice oak that I cut. I'll take some of that. I'll put a chip or two. It doesn't have to be much. So if you don't smoke meat yourself or use chips, find somebody who does. If you make it up to North Carolina, and this, I'll give you a couple. Well, maybe not. Never mind. So we're going to get a couple chips, put it in there. 2 reasons. One, it looks good. I mean, come on. That looks cool. When your guests get up here, it looks cool. 2, it's going to help clean up. See, I did a little char there. There's little bits of charcoal on there. Well, a lot of liquor is charcoal mellowed. It goes through charcoal. Kind of like a Tennessee whiskey. It goes through charcoal. We're kind of doing the same thing to help clean it up. And with that oak, it's going to gradually add flavor. Oh, what's that you say? Bruce, I'm in a hurry here. My guests are coming in 2 weeks. I want them to drink more shine, eat more bacon, but 2 weeks. So we got to punch this up a bit. Okay. Well, if you left it in there 6 months or so, the color would come through. But once again, you got 2 weeks. So take a little bit of brown sugar. Rolling Stones, brown sugar. Oh, they don't play that anymore. Sorry, Mick. Add a little bit of brown sugar. Doesn't have to be much. The brown sugar, of course, the only difference between brown sugar and cane sugar, there's a little bit of molasses. Now we're kind of go for the rum aspect. All right. So now let's add some of our nice 100 proof vodka. Ooh. Bruce, it's early in the morning. You shouldn't drink. I know. Oh, whoa! Yeah! Ah! All right. Wow. All right, a little more. Whoa! Ah! All right, add it in there. Do. All right, it's getting color already. That's pretty well it. Now, the 100 proof, you shouldn't get any gas, but you could get a little gassing in there. You may want to burp that every couple days just to check. All right. And there you go. Seal it up. Seal it up. Burp it every couple days. And now, you've got something to give to your guests. And they're going to go, oh man, this looks like nothing I've ever seen before. Why? Because I haven't seen it before. Why? Because I made it up. So, nice oak chips. And actually, 6 months in a year, this will taste much, much better than what you buy at the store. Now, Bruce, you took this out of this bottle and put it in there. Isn't that illegal? I don't know. It may be illegal. I don't know, but I don't worry about it. Why not, Bruce? Because like all the TV shows, this has been fake. Alright? What do you mean fake? I saw you drink it. I saw you choke on it. Yeah, you saw me choking on water, folks. Here you go. The hydrometer does not lie. Well, it could lie. This is TV. Anything lies. That is water. Got it? When it's low like that, boom. Got it? Water is dense. Alcohol is light. Well, how do I know you're not lying? Well, watch. Okay, 0, 0, 0. Cool. Here is the real bottle. Once again, this is television. Like all the moonshining programs and what have you. It's all fake. It's all fake. But that's all. Oh, look at that. See, that's different. That's showing up. That's showing up at about 50, 55. We haven't temperature corrected. That's the real alcohol, which was not put into there, which was not put into anything. Bruce, why didn't you drink that? Well, I get to drink again July 4th. I gave my liver a break. That's why I'm down to 154 pounds from 100, well, whatever. Anyway, that's how you do it, folks. So, enjoy. And remember, everything you see on TV is a lie. Well, whatever. Until later. Drink more shine and eat more bacon. See ya.